our national marketing managers with Medicare Advantage Specialist and MAS Insurance and Marketing. If you're attending a webinar for the first time today, I'd like to introduce you to MAS. We are a nationally recognized, award-winning field marketing organization and a leader in the insurance brokerage industry. Our office is located in beautiful Hoover, Alabama, just outside of Birmingham, Alabama. Today, we'll be focusing on how to increase your sales by utilizing your current client base. At MAS, we are sharing ideas about how to put more focus on becoming a portfolio-minded agent. As you can see on the screen there, there's a little roadmap to follow. We're going to share with you ideas that can help you in all aspects of your business, whether you're selling Medicare Advantage, Medicare supplements, or both, indemnity and ancillary products like cancer policies, critical illness, and hospital indemnity, or by offering life insurance such as final expense policies. By increasing the number of products you offer, you can guarantee an increase in sales and client retention. And take a good look at that screen before we move forward. Our goal here is to help you become that portfolio-minded agent, and guaranteed if you add to your portfolio, increase the products that you offer, you can guarantee an increase in your sales. And more importantly than that, guaranteed client retention, which is a great goal for every agent out there. So hope you'll take that to heart and put that into practice. Today, we are joined by Alan Pauley of Integrity Marketing. Not only is Alan a personal friend and colleague, but Alan has been a tremendous support to our organization over the years, assisting us in growing our final expense business. Alan is going to share with us a just released new product. Excited about this product, by the way. So Alan, with that being said, let me give you the controls here. Everybody welcome Alan Pauley, and Alan, it is now yours.
All right, sounds great, James. Thank you. And let me get that control over here so I can show my screen. There we go. And
here you are.
Give me just a minute. Yep, let me make sure everything's working properly. So is everything moving on your end, James?
Yes, sir, it is.
Perfect, perfect. Well, thank you, James. I appreciate it. Again, thank you for the introduction, and I really appreciate everyone's time. I know everybody's busy, especially this time of year, and I appreciate you taking the time to join us today, really on this exciting opportunity to talk about Great Western Guaranteed Assurance, a one-of-a-kind final expense solution. I really want to thank Medicare Advantage Specialists, Shanna, James, and their team for putting this webinar together for you, because not only are they personal friends of mine, but it's a great office to be associated with, and honestly, from an agent standpoint, you couldn't be with a better organization to help you grow your business. And so today we're really excited about talking about this opportunity, because it's an opportunity that is a unique product, an increased death benefit final expense product to serve this fast-growing market. I'm probably going to date myself here a little bit, but what I'm so excited about is that this product really kind of gets us back into the good old days, because when I started out in this industry selling final expense, you really did your field underwriting and the application right in the client's home. You had the application and the policy all together, and you essentially just ripped off the application, took it with you, but you left the policy with your client. And the field underwriting was done right then. It was a lot of fun. And this day and age, golly, underwriting can be just so stringent. You never know about the medications and the underwriting on how they're going to perceive medications. Many times there's lengthy phone interviews, and, you know, sending in an application, you're just not sure if it's even going to be issued as applied for. Well, what Guaranteed Assurance has done is really gotten us back to the good old days with an immediate point of sale underwriting decision with this product. And as James alluded to, this is a ground floor opportunity. This product is just being introduced out in the marketplace, and it's available in 41 states. That's why I'm so excited to be able to share this with you. And it's available through Medicare Advantage Specialists. And so Great Western Guaranteed Assurance, one-of-a-kind final expense solution, and we've been working with Great Western to develop this product. They're located in Ogden, Utah. They've been a company writing life insurance and annuities specifically to fund final expense and whole life insurance in the pre-need market since 1983. They are licensed in 46 states and the District of Columbia. Great Western's surplus to liability ratio is among the highest in the industry. And so they've come up and we've developed with them this guaranteed assurance plan. It's a guaranteed assurance final expense coverage that has many additional benefits and is easy to apply for. And in addition, this life insurance plan has 2 products built into one. We're going to talk about the details of all of this as we move along the presentation today. But some of these highlights has with this product, the guaranteed assurance, it has immediate point of sale decisions based on answers to 3 health questions. It's a guaranteed issue and day 1 coverage underwriting classes that are available. It's a one-of-a-kind 120% increase in death benefit with the Assurance Plus plan. It has an important built-in riders that increase coverage included free of charge. And these policy, even though it's really virtually new out in the marketplace, and there are many, many policies being sold, policies are being issued in 48 hours, and commissions are paid daily. And Great Western, working with them, they have done their homework to create the draft date technology, which allows your client to choose the initial and ongoing premium draft dates to coordinate with Social Security payments. We're going to talk about all these details and more as we go into this presentation. Just to give you a product overview of what this product consists of, it begins with the Guaranteed Assurance product offers 2 plans. Guaranteed Assurance, which is the guaranteed issue plan, and the Assurance Plus, which is the increase of death benefits by 120% of their death benefit at no additional cost and with the same application. So what does Guaranteed Assurance? Guaranteed Assurance part of it is it offers coverage regardless of your client's health with absolutely no underwriting, completely guaranteed issue, and your clients are not required to answer any health questions. So essentially, if your client has a pulse, they can get this coverage. For accidental deaths in the first 2 years, your clients receive full face amounts of the policy. For non-accidental deaths in the first 2 years, your clients receive 110% of the premiums paid. And on any death after 2 years, they receive a full face amount of the policy. So with this new product, Guaranteed Assurance, when you send in an application, you will get it issued. 10 apps in, 10 policies issued. It'll either be issued as a Guaranteed Assurance product, which is guaranteed issue, or they will qualify for the Assurance Plus. The Assurance Plus is a one-of-a-kind product that provides day 1 coverage and pays 120% of the full face amount benefit selected whenever the death occurs at no additional cost. Simplified underwriting, no medical exams, coverage is based on the answers to a few health questions that we're going to talk about in just a minute. So an example of that is your client applies for $10,000 of initial face amount. You ask them these 3 health questions. They answer those no. They will qualify for an additional $2,000, 120% of the full face amount. They would receive $12,000 in death benefit at no additional cost. Their premium will still be based on the $10,000, but they're going to receive $12,000 in death benefit at no additional cost. And so it's very easy. It's a simple application, whether they are qualifying for the Guaranteed Assurance plan or the Guarantee or the Assurance Plus plan. So it's very simple, easy to use application process with no additional underwriting, really getting back to the good old days when it's field underwritten. Now, what do those 3 health questions look like? Well, let's take a look at those. The first one is, in the last 2 years, has the applicant been a patient in hospice, a hospital, or nursing home for 5 or more days. The second question is the applicant unable to perform routine activities such as bathing, dressing, eating, toileting, or transferring to or from bed or a chair in the past 2 years? Has the applicant been diagnosed with, been prescribed medication for, or treated by a healthcare provider for any of the following diseases? Cancer, other than basal cell carcinoma, tumor, insulin-dependent diabetes, HIV, AIDS, or acquired immune deficiency syndrome-related complex, better known as ARC, any disorder of the blood, kidney, lung, brain, heart, circulatory system, or liver. Maintenance medications are not considered treatment if the prescription has been remained the same or a generic equivalent at the same or decreased dosage for the past 2 years. Now, when your clients can answer those questions no, including that about the maintenance medications, then they will qualify for that 120% increase in their death benefit at no additional cost. And so what does that really look like? Well, here's a good example. At $10,000 face amount for a 60-year-old female, they apply for $10,000 face amount. The premium for a 60-year-old female is $61.25 per month for $10,000 guaranteed issue. You ask her the health questions. She answers them no. She qualifies for the Assurance Plus. So now she's getting a $12,000 death benefit. Her premium is still only $61.25 per month. So she got a ultimate death benefit of $12,000 at no additional cost. Now, these premiums are very, very competitive. There's only one rate class for both products. When you are out in the marketplace and you're considering whether you want this product to be in your portfolio, I would encourage you to get contracted with Medicare Advantage specialists and be able to offer this product to your clients, because when you're talking about your competitors that are out there in the final expense market, if you have someone that's a tobacco user, or maybe you're looking at a graded plan, I would encourage you, before you write them with your competitor, that you look at the premiums on this Great Western Guaranteed Assurance product, because I think you'll find that these products are very, very competitive out there in the marketplace and maybe provide your clients some better coverage than they would get elsewhere. This is a great product, and it's unique because it has that Assurance Plus feature into it. And it also includes some very important riders that increase the coverage as well. Those riders consist of a spousal bonus rider. It's included at no additional cost, available on both plans, Guaranteed Assurance and the Assurance Plus. There's also an accelerated death benefit included at no additional cost. That accelerated death benefit is only available for the Assurance Plus plan. And then we also have a dependent child or grandchild rider for only $1 a month in addition to the normal premium, and that is available on both plans. And so let's talk about and break these down just a little bit. So the spousal bonus rider, it requires both the husband and wife to apply for coverage at the same time. The minimum is $10,000 of face amount must be applied for on each person to qualify for the rider that is available on both the Guaranteed Assurance plans and the Assurance Plus. The death can't be during the the death can't be during the graded period on the Guaranteed Assurance plan, and both policies must be enforced at the time of the first death. And so how this works is your clients each apply for $10,000 face amount. They both answer those questions no, and so they receive a death benefit of $12,000, and because they both applied at the same time, the first person that passes away will actually have a $13,000 death benefit at no additional cost. they're still paying the premium at the $10,000 that they initially applied for. And so it really gives you an opportunity to increase your client's coverage at no additional cost with the husband and wife applying at the same time. Now, this really breaks it down. So an example, the husband and wife each purchased $10,000 and answered no to the 3 health questions. Their ultimate death benefit is 120% of the face amount they originally applied for, and they receive an additional $1,000 on the first to die with the spousal bonus rider. Now, what that means is they applied for $20,000 as a couple, coverage $10,000 each, but they were able to answer the health questions no. They received the spousal bonus, and so they're receiving $25,000 in total coverage at no additional cost. That's a great win-win for everyone, for you as an agent to be able to add some protection for your clients and for your clients and their loved ones as well. And then we also have the accelerated death benefit rider. This is available, again, at no additional charge. It is only available on the Assurance Plus plan. This rider pays the present value of the death benefit if the clients are diagnosed with terminal illness and have an expectation of less than 12 months to live, or if they are diagnosed as needing assistance with 2 daily activities. The accelerated death benefit can be used for any purpose. And so again, it costs the clients nothing. It is available only on the Assurance Plus plan. And then we also have the dependent child and grandchild rider. For only $1 a month, Great Western will pay $2,500 on the first death of a dependent child or grandchild. Also available for both plans and available for your clients and their loved ones. This really is an incredible opportunity to be able to provide a unique product to your clients to get them some additional coverage they may not be able to get elsewhere. And so one-of-a-kind final expense solution, this is how it really looks. Issue ages are 40 to 80, whether it's the guaranteed assurance or the Assurance Plus. The face amounts are $1,000 to $40,000 for both plans. Now, the riders for the guaranteed assurance plan, which is the guaranteed issue, it has spousal bonus rider available and the dependent child and grandchild rider. For the Assurance Plus, which is the 120% increase in their face amount, the spousal bonus rider is available, and the accelerated death benefit rider is available. Also, the dependent child and grandchild rider is available. How the death benefit works, on the guaranteed assurance plan, it's return of premium plus 10% in the first 2 years and 100% thereafter. For the Assurance Plus, it's 120% of the initial face amounts day one. Really a unique opportunity here, ladies and gentlemen, to add this to your portfolio and be able to provide some coverage for your clients that they would not qualify elsewhere. Now, I would encourage you to get contracted with Medicare Advantage specialists, and when you do, everybody wants to know the kind of nuances of the company, how their processes work. And so as we developed this with Great Western, we had them develop a in-depth agent field manual that will provide you really the guidelines on licensing, new business, commission, riders, rates, and much, much more, all available in this Guaranteed Assurance Agent Field Manual. Medicare Advantage Specialist has this. They'll be able to provide it to you, and you'll be able to know how to do business with Great Western and find out exactly how easy it is to do business with them. You also will have access to an online rate calculator. It's at gwratecal.com. Now, in order for you to access that, you will have to have an agent number. So I would encourage you to get contracted with Medicare Advantage Specialists with Great Western as soon as possible, and you'll get your agent number, and then you'll be able to use this rate cal on your phone, on your iPad, laptop, computer, whatever you need to access the rate cal with Great Western, you'll be able to do that. Now, earlier we talked about being able to draft the premiums, and Great Western did all their homework to allow you to be able to have your clients draft the initial premium as well as premiums that happen ongoing. And really that provides flexibility for your clients. It caters to specific budgets. It's necessary for the demographics of the senior market, and it really helps to match the client's monthly income deposits. And really for you as an agent, it creates a better block of business, enhances persistency, and helps your clients really keep the coverage that they want and help you as an agent build a better block of business. Included in that is the Social Security benefit billing. If your client gets their Social Security benefits on a specific day, or maybe they get it the second Wednesday or the third Wednesday or the fourth Wednesday of the month, where those dates change every month, it doesn't matter. Great Western has done their homework. They have the technology. If it's a specific day they get their Social Security benefits, they can match it. If it's the second Wednesday, third Wednesday, or the fourth Wednesday, where those dates float every month, it still doesn't matter. Great Western has the technology allowing your client to have that draft happen on the date, whether it's the second Wednesday, third Wednesday, or the fourth Wednesday of the month. It'll hit on that specific Wednesday, no matter what the date is, and it just helps you and your clients keep that business on the books, helps your client keep the coverage they initially applied for, and again, strengthens your block of business as an agent, keeping that business and keeping those clients on the books for you to have a stronger block of business. Now, this product's available, as I said earlier, 41 states. It's not available in Alaska, Connecticut, Hawaii, and New York. Not available in those 4 states. It is pending in California, DC, Delaware, Maine, Montana, New Mexico, and Vermont. It has been applied for there. It just hasn't been through the acceptance stage with those states. But this is a unique opportunity. It is new to the marketplace. This really is a ground floor opportunity available for you through Medicare Advantage Specialists. This organization, Medicare Advantage Specialists, is providing you some innovative products that are hitting the market that will put you above your other agent competitors out there and be able to provide that one-of-a-kind final expense solution to your clients, because it does have an increased death benefit final expense product serving this fast-growing market. If you're in the senior market, you know that the senior market's the fastest-growing market in this country, and in the last 5 years, life insurance sales in this country have decreased, but final expense sales have increased. And so having this product, one-of-a-kind final expense solution from Great Western, to be able to offer this and give your clients an opportunity to really increase their coverage is wonderful. And it really is getting back to the good old days. Immediate point-of-sale underwriting decisions. When you're in the client's home, you know exactly whether they're going to qualify for the Guaranteed Assurance product or the Assurance Plus. It is a ground floor opportunity, as you've heard me say. It's available in 41 states. Get started today, offering this incredible new product, exciting new product that's out in the marketplace, offered through Medicare Advantage Specialists, Great Western Guaranteed Assurance, a one-of-a-kind final expense solution. If you're not contracted with Great Western through Medicare Advantage Specialists, give Medicare Advantage Specialist a call at 1-800-480-9857. And with that, James, I will turn this back to you.
All right. Thank you, Alan. I appreciate that very much. And I hope you guys realize the importance of this product and how exciting of an opportunity that it is for you. And Alan, a great job as always. We'll get to the questions at the end of the webinar if there are any. But anyway, guys, great opportunity with Great Western, and I feel like something that's going to take off and do great things, not just for you but for clients as well. So anyway, we'd like to close out our webinar today by asking the simple question: why choose us? Why choose MAS? Well, if you can see on the screen there, number one, we have superior service, support, and training. Our management team all has field experience, and what that means to us is we talk the talk and walk the walk. So we're not just a group of people sitting on the phone that have no experience. So give us a call. Let us show you what we can do with you and for you. The main reason is we take great pride in our relationships with our agents and our carriers. We would love to give you the time that you deserve and need to not know just this product, but any other product or any other training that you might need in insurance sales, period. The second thing that you see there is marketing strategies and assistance. Our marketing efforts create numerous opportunities for our agents through lead programs. We're going to talk about that in a moment. The Agency Builder Program, very exciting for those who are wanting to build an agency, and also the Fast Start and other incentive programs that we'll get to in just a few moments. Bottom line, guys, if you're thinking about MAS, we know this very well, that your success is based on us, but our success is also based on you. So we hope today that you'll give us close consideration as you move forward. Here's some of the marketing strategies and assistance that we're talking about. Our marketing managers, which I'm one of those as well, are eager to work with producers to help you grow your business. How do we do it? You can see there are 5 things here that we'll go through very quickly, but just pay close attention to this if you're kind of on the bubble here. We are eager to work with you, especially those who are producers and want to get out there and do something with your business. We can provide a market analysis of products available in your area to assist you in developing a strategic marketing plan for your business. That's one of our favorite things to do, is to develop that marketing analysis for you so you can see what's exactly working where you are. We're always up to date on the latest products, for example, Great Western that you heard about today, carriers, lead programs, other services as they become available. Also, we're available to provide field support, marketing supplies, certification information, carrier appointments, and service issues. And we all do those things on a daily basis. One of our favorite things, though, that you see down here toward the bottom is mentoring new agents. That is an exciting opportunity for a new agent and an exciting opportunity for us here at MAS. We love to take on new agents and build them and grow them and watch them get excited about what they're doing and watch their income grow, watch their business grow. It's an exciting time anytime that a new agent comes on board. Not to say that you guys on the line that are already a part of us aren't exciting. You are too, especially with new products, and you're the reason we're successful. But any new agent that's out there today and you're brand new to the business, give us an opportunity to help you grow. Our goal, bottom line, is to help you grow your business, and I think we've driven that home pretty well. One of the ways that we can do that, if you're interested, is with an Agency Builder Program. So for our agents that are interested in doing this, we have this program. It's right there before you, the Agency Builder Program. Here's how it works. We will run our auto dialer to call agent recruitment list. The auto dialer will give the agents answering the call the option to press 1 to speak to a live rep, which at that point will be you. It's like we recruited some of you guys are on this call. It's a recruitment list. We call that list. We recruit agents to our organization that sell Medicare Advantage, that sell Medicare supplements, that sell final expense, or all of the above. Bottom line is it's a list that we call, and we get the opportunity to speak to agents on a daily basis to recruit them. And that's what you'll have a chance to do. So when the auto dialer runs for you, they'll press 1, you'll answer the phone, and you'll give them your spiel about who you are, what you're doing, and how you're trying to grow your agency. So it'll give them an opportunity to speak to you live, and an awesome opportunity for you to grow your business. If you're not able to answer, a voicemail will be left of a recording that a recruiting agent records, which would be you. You can leave your own message, or we can record one for you. A good example is we have several people who have given this a shot, and we have seen people literally be able to recruit agents into their organization. Can we guarantee you how many? No, not at all, but we can certainly run the auto dialer, help you close out the deal for you. If you get somebody on the hook, for example, and you need help closing the deal to get them a part of where you want them to be and where they're going, we would be happy. More than happy to get that agent on the phone and let them know our relationship with you, where you're going, what you're doing, and what you're trying to do, and then we'll help the contracting process and so on and so forth. So for those of you on the call today that are interested in having an agency, listen, you don't have to have a building. You just need people, and you can have people from any state. It's an incredible opportunity, and we'd love to help you do that, grow your agency if that's something you have an interest in. One of the things we always get asked about almost on a daily basis is do you guys offer leads? Well, we have a tremendous opportunity with several companies that we work with, and our agents have had success with our lead incentive programs. We offer a lead program to agents who are new to MAS, as well as agents who are consistently, and here's the key, consistently writing business through our organization. And like I said, we use three different companies for this, and we'd love to help those of you that are producing agents team up, and we do a co-op lead program. And if you don't know what that means is we'll pay half the cost, you pay half the cost. And if you want more details on how that works, pick up the phone, give us a call today. We'd love to show you more about how the lead program works. Our Fast Start program has been a success as well. Here's a good question. Who wouldn't love to get money in the mail just for writing your first piece of business? And we're not talking about commission dollars. We're talking about dollars direct from MAS. You can also get more information about that by picking up the phone and giving us a call. You see the 100 free names there. That's always an interesting conversation. You're welcome to call and ask about what that is, how it works, and will it work for you? And we'd love to tell you more about that as well. So we do have lead programs, the Fast Start program, the 100 free names. There's an opportunity for you if you're really serious about growing your business and making some more money. So give us a call today. Let us know what your plans might be. And here's a neat little thing that we have fallen in love with here as well. It's called the prescription drug card. We offer this through RX Benefits, and with this program, you're able to add value for your existing clients with an average of 30%. These discounts are available for dental, vision, and hearing, and even vitamins. A lot of our agents honestly have had success with this card by using it as a door opener for prospecting as well as earning referrals. Personally, I've been here into my third year now, and have never been able to use this card until recently. Just a personal little testimony about the prescription drug card. Not too long ago, I was diagnosed with high blood pressure, had to go get on some medicine and things like that. And I thought, you know what, why not give it a shot when I was at the Target pharmacy. Threw my discount card up there with my insurance card, and you know what, about $47 difference in the price of that one prescription. Not all of them, but this one specific one saved me about $47. So I'm a believer in the prescription drug card. It works. It saves me some money, my family some money, and it is an excellent opportunity for you. And you can get that through us today as well. And somebody on the phone will be happy to share with you how that works. And it is an awesome door opener for you and your clients. Just keep that thought in mind as well. So why choose MAS? Well, bottom line is, guys, we're here to serve you. You see, we understand that our long-term success will define itself based on your success as an agent or as a carrier. Medicare Advantage Specialist is committed to exceeding our clients' expectations. That's a goal of ours in every interaction, and helping you achieve that same level of service with your customers. Another thing is this: agent support is our primary goal. We provide every tool we can that we can identify to assist you in your efforts to identify, inform, close, and follow your sales process. Guys, that one sentence right there is enough to make you think. What are you doing in your sales process? If you don't have a plan, give us a call. Let's put one together. In practical terms, our marketing team works arm in arm with you to deliver print media, internet, direct mail, and other marketing tools, keeping your pipeline moving. Guys, that's important in this business, as you well know, to keep your pipeline full, but to keep it moving forward. We have one of the most experienced support teams in our industry, and we would love to help you today. How do you get started? It's very, very simple. Pick up your phone, call 1-800-480-9857. It's right there on your screen, 800-480-9857, or you can reach us at www.medadvspc.com. Either way, we'd love to hear from you and give us an opportunity to work with you, move forward in your organization, your business, or if you're just an individual agent that's just getting started, by all means, reach out and give us an opportunity to help you. Here's a quote by Will Rogers. It says, even if you're on the right track, you'll get run over if you just sit there. So the question for you today as we wrap this webinar up is this: is Great Western a good fit for you? I can honestly say yes, it is. It's an incredible product. Alan did an amazing job explaining it. It's very simple, and everybody needs something, and this is a great opportunity for you. So again, if you're on the right track but you're just sitting there, you're going to get run over. Do something. Get up, move forward, make a difference in somebody's life. It's an amazing opportunity for you. We would love for you to give us a call today, and I thank you so much for your time this afternoon. As Alan said, we know you're busy getting ready to go hopefully out and do some sales this afternoon, but we appreciate your time. With that being said, Shanna, is there any questions that maybe Alan has that needs to be answered today?
There is. We have just one question that's come up, and it says, for the Assurance Plus, if someone has diabetes or another one of the pre-existing conditions for several years, how would the health question be answered, as a yes or a no?
Yeah, so that's a great question. Now, and I would encourage you to get the guide, the agent field manual, because it lists any kind of health questions that are outside of that. And depending on each situation, I would encourage you to get that and look at it, because it'll give you really black and white of how you would answer that with that particular client. And without knowing any of the details, it looks like it would be answered no, but don't take my word for it, because you'll know the situation with a particular client when you're talking to them. Get the agent manual, look at it as you're talking to your client, because it'll help you determine whether that's going to be a yes or no at that time. It really is pretty black and white, but I want to make sure that everything's being included, and you'll know that being in front of the client. I would really recommend that you get that agent manual and have it with you when you're talking to your clients.
And we have that here, so we can get that question answered for you and provide you with that field manual so that you'll have that directly. So for all of you that were on the webinar today, I think that concludes the questions. Everybody that was on here today, the National Marketing Director that is assigned to your account, they will outreach to you to see if you have any other questions or to provide you with any information. I know a couple of you have already emailed asking for supplies and that sort of thing. So we'll make sure and get you some information today. And as always, we're recording the webinar, so we'll be able to host that on our website at www.medadvspc.com, and that will be under the MAS TV selection. That's where all of our training webinars are hosted, and you'll find Alan out there often. So anyway, Alan, thank you for participating with us today.
Yep. Thank you. I just want to add one thing, just thinking about that question. Now, if you're talking, one thing I probably need to point out about diabetes, if the situation is the person is insulin dependent, then the answer will always be yes. But you'll need to look at it when you're talking to your clients. Really, I would encourage you to get that agent manual through a Medicare Advantage specialist. But there is a stipulation with the insulin. If they're insulin dependent, then that answer would always be yes.
Okay, great. All right. And we, like I said, we have all of those materials here. So contracts, field manuals, presentation materials, we have all of that on file. So we can certainly help and get that information to you. So I think,
thanks,
let me just take one more look, Alan, before we get out of here. All right, I think that's it. So again, we've recorded the webinar. If you want to review this again, it will be there on our website. And Alan, if we have any questions that come in that we can't answer, obviously we'll outreach to you. James, thanks for your time with sharing information about MAS. And with that, I think we'll call it a day. Everybody have a great rest of your day.
Thank you.
Thank you.